If you are among people that always ask your sister whenever she introduce a guy that wants to marry her, whether the person that wants to marry her is a working class, but people that are working class, they are not capable of taking care of their wife because they're earning salary. Their money comes in monthly basis, but most times they normally borrow before their salary will come in the subsequent month. If you're among those people you marry here, you no get sense. If you're among those people, those family members that normally ask such question, you no get sense. You're not exposed. You're not exposed at all. Because what you should be asking your sister is whether the guy is responsible. One, whether the guy has what he does as a living, he has source of income. That is the first thing you're supposed to ask her. More asking her, discouraging her from marrying a working class guy, but he's a salary earner. A marry here. Do you think that it's only people that are doing business that is everybody that are doing business that are doing well? There are some people that are doing business today, but their even income, the profit they make at the end of the month is not even up to the salary that same guy you are discouraging her from marrying. It's not even up to his salary. So if you are still discouraging or asking such question for your sister, whether the person that why should you marry somebody that is a working class, you marry here, you no get sense. Because I have heard from some ladies, saying the same thing, that there are people who normally ask discouraging from marrying somebody that is working class, but he may not be able to take care of. Yeah, you no get sense.